I'm Kevin Pulowski from Chemtronics, and I'm going to take you through procedures to clean and recover equipment like electrical devices, electronics, telecom equipment, including fiber optic connections from flood damage. After a major weather event that involves flooding, millions of dollars of equipment is often drenched and filled with all kinds of dirt and muck. Some may be replaced with insurance covering the tab, but there's a lot of equipment out there that needs to be repaired and brought back into service as soon as possible. Many people don't realize that often electronics and electrical components can handle exposure to water, and that it's actually a common way to clean assemblies in the manufacturing process. Some components, like power supplies, can't be recovered, but much of it can. Before you start, remember these important tips. Electronic and electrical devices should be disconnected from power and all batteries removed until everything is clean and 100% dry. Connecting power too soon could cause short-circuiting and could even be dangerous to you. Be patient. With sensitive electronics, it's important to avoid static buildup. Ideally, use a grounding strap or at least discharge static frequently by touching a grounded metal surface away from your work. First step, rinse the equipment with clean water. Electronics and electrical equipment should be flushed well with clean water to remove salt, sediment, and particulate matter. Disassemble the equipment to allow access to all interior parts and flush with water until the rinse water is clean. If possible, dip the equipment into a drum or a tank of clean water and agitate to dislodge trapped contaminants. After the equipment has been rinsed thoroughly, stand it on end and allow it to drain. If clean water is not available, flush assembly with Flux-Off water-soluble cleaner. To speed up the drying process, use Ultrajet Duster. The high pressure of the Ultrajet Duster performs as a portable compressor to effectively dry excess moisture and solvent. It's especially useful for getting water out of tight crevices, recesses, and from underneath components. Step 2. Remove remaining oil, grease, sludge, and other contaminants. Cleaning will be necessary to remove oxidized oil, grease, and other contamination. Most contacts and connectors contain sensitive plastics that will be destroyed using heavy degreasing products. For plastic-safe precision cleaning, remove the remaining contaminants with Electrowash PX. For heavy-duty non-flammable degreasing, use Electrowash VZ. Where removal of caked on grease, sludge, and other contamination is required, and sensitive plastics aren't a concern, MaxClean Tri-V is used to remove debris and contamination. Spray the equipment thoroughly or dip the equipment in a solvent and agitate while it's submerged. Make sure that all contaminated areas have been sprayed and completely cleaned. Allow the equipment and assemblies to drain and dry completely before returning the equipment to service. Step 3. Protect bare metal. After performing the previous cleaning processes on electrical equipment, electric motors, generators, power tools, and switches, the use of a contact lubricant is recommended to help prevent oxidation and corrosion. DPL, Deep Penetrating Lubricant, is a multi-purpose precision contact lubricant ideal for protecting the bare metal found in all electrical and electronic contacts, maximizing the contact integrity. Spraying low voltage contacts with DPL will clean and protect the contacts. Step 4. Apply conductive grease. Battery terminals and semi-permanent plug connectors can be protected and electrical conductivity maximized by using CircuitWorks silver conductor grease on all connector surfaces. This applies a highly conductive silver layer that fills any gaps between the contact points, which ensures optimal conductivity. Step 5. Clean fiber optic connectors. If dirt and debris gets into fiber optic connectors, it can block and interfere with the signals. So, as painful as it sounds, all fiber optic connectors that have been exposed to floodwaters need to be cleaned. The male end of the connector is relatively easy to clean. You simply add a small amount of cleaner to the wipe. I'm using the FiberWash MX Pen, which gives you real precise control of the solvent application, and QBE wipes. QBE wipes have a soft platen which has just the right amount of give to clean the entire end face. The same technique can be used with our clear connection tool by saturating the tool tip, attaching the adapter, inserting the ferrule and clicking the tool. The click advances the white material from wet to dry. Remember to clean around the ceramic barrel of the ferrule with a swab. This prevents contamination from migrating back onto the end face. Cleaning recessed or backplane connectors is a bit trickier. Our clear connection tool is the easiest and fastest method. Remove the adapter, saturate the tool's tip, and click to advance the white material. You'll also need to clean the alignment sleeves to prevent misalignment and recontamination of the end faces. Disconnect connectors from both ends. Lightly saturate the swab and push it through the alignment sleeve a few times. Good luck recovering all your equipment. If you need any help or have any application questions, please contact us. We're here to help you through this challenge.